Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP is tagged in this triangle, and in today's video we will take a look whether the price line will be able to break it out or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I have also shared the link for this report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, the total number of trades I shared 75, and out of 75, 62 were successful. And for example, if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on the link. It will take you to the idea that I've posted for my members, and I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link. It will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click on the link on this play button, and it will show you how the price line reversed bullish and hit the sell targets. That was, by the way, a very big pump of you trust. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this down channel that we were following, and we had a fake out here. The price line re-entered the channel finally again. And for example, if we take a look at the support of this channel, that is really very down, approximately at $0.0048. That will be a very down from here. But we have a very strong support zone here, and you can see that the price line is not breaking down the support. It was breaking as a support here back in January 2022, and since after Feb 2022, it is breaking as a very strong support zone that is starting from 1.7 cents and goes to 1.5 cents. And you can see whenever the price line is entering in this zone, it is having nice bounces to the upside. And for example, if it will be broken down, there it will be another support that will be approximately at 1 cent here. Now if we take a look at this triangle that has been formed on the very small time frame, hourly time frame chart, even though this is a very small time frame, but this triangle can change the trend for SLP, because it will trigger a very big move from here to the next resistance. It can push the price line to the next resistance of 2 cents, and after breaking out 2 cents, there can be another big move started. Now we can see that this triangle is very squeezed, and we are at the end of the triangle. Unfortunate thing here is that we are testing the support more than the resistance. So testing support, meaning that there is a possibility that we may break down. However, for example, if we will break out this resistance, then we can see that our next target to the upside will be here, approximately very close to 2 cents, 1.97 cents. And if I place the trend line at 2 cents, then we can see that at 2 cents we have another strong resistance. It was breaking as a strong support here, resistance here, and again the price line can move to this resistance. And if it will be able to break it out, the 2 cents resistance, then next resistance will be here at 3 cents. So next few hours or few moments can be very important for SLP, because we are at the very end of this triangle, and very soon we can break out or break down this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.